Hey Google, turn on dining light.
Okay, turning on the dining light.
Alright guys, welcome back again for another video and for the in-depth review of this toy na nabili natin kay Kia Potts CLXN Hard Toys. Yan. Toy na to, it is a front load tractor na for farm use na ang scale is 1:32 scale. It is Siku brand. Yan, Siku Farmer nakalagay sa kanya. Model number is 3656. Licensed by class. Yan, okay. So let's unbox this toy. Okay. So that's it. And then toy. Okay, isa siyang front loader guys na may attachment sa likod and for the front. Okay, so merong anyway, by the way guys, if you gonna search for the brand new of this toy is sold separately yung trailer and ito yung tractor head. Saka meron siyang sold separately na mga attachments. May front attachment saka rear attachment. Okay, yung front attachment niya guys is there are different tawag dito, attachment para dito. Meron siyang harvester na para sa front. Okay, meron ding harvester para sa likod. Okay, so for the materials that used in this toy, etong bucket niya is die-cast metal all the way there. This is the full na arm niya, hydraulic arm. Okay, ang plastic dito guys is etong part na to, cylinder na to ng hydraulic. Yung chrome is metal sa loob. Yan. Yan, yan is die-cast metal. Okay, aside from doon, itong fender niya, etong sa harap niya is die-cast metal din to. The body, lahat na nakikita yung green, lahat sila is die-cast metal. Ang plastic lang sa kanya is yung cabin. Clear acrylic yung ano niya, yung glass niya, kita yung details sa loob. Yan. Okay, so plastic yung interior and tong rims niya. Yan, plastic yung rims. But tignan mo, may details din siya doon. Oh. May markings yung rubber niya. Ang ganda ng rubber nito, guys. Yan, may texture feeling ng rubber. Check na check yan. Okay, from the back. Yan, yung lahat ng body niya to is die-cast metal, including tong ano to. Itong gumagalaw na to na may tawag dito para sa attachment ng lock na attachment ng ano niya, ng trailer. Okay, die-cast metal yan. Painted yung mga stoplight details, saka yung flashers, yung signal lights. Yung top niya is plastic kasi removable to guys, tong head niya, itong cabin niya. Ayan, plastic lahat to. Pero aside doon, yung body niya, lahat yan is full die-cast. Okay, so on this side, yung service ladder niya is metal din. Ganda ng details. So, okay, saka itong engine bay niya, itong hood, natataas yan guys. Yung nasa loob is plastic, yung engine details niya. Pero itong hood niya is die-cast metal. Including din to sa front attachment niya, na lock ng front attachment niya is die-cast metal. Okay, so for the functionality of this toy, syempre, front loader siya, may movement siya ng up and down, including the bucket. Yan, nagagalaw siya up and down. Meron siya mga cylinders doon na hydraulic cylinders. Okay, so itong attachment niya dito sa harap, natatanggal to guys. So, pwede mo siyang palitan actually, and sinasabi ko kanina na you can buy separately yung attachment niya dito. Itong front loader na to, there are different attachment para dito. May example dito na tulad na nasa pictures, pa-flash ko sa screen nyo. Meron dong haystack forklift o grabber. Yan, meron sila dyan na different na varieties ng attachment. Upon checking nito sa web, wala akong nakikita na available dito sa Philippine market para sa accessories ng ganitong scale na to na 1:32 scale para sa attachment. Wala pa ako nakikita guys. Okay, so sa Lazada and Shopee platform wala din. Meron siyang manggagaling ng ibang bansa pero yung tractor lang. Okay, itong niya, side mirror to yun, nagagalaw yung side mirror niya, balik kabilaan yan, naitutupi siya. Okay, so yun ang functionality niya. Yung front wheel niya, merong pwede mo ma-steer siya left and right. Okay. Tapos may gimmick dito guys, ito. Etong nasa top niya na to, pwede mo pihitin left and right. Susunod yung niya, steering wheel niya saka yung gulong. Yan ang niya, yan ang gimmick niya. So let's remove this tractor cable. Yan, gumagalaw to guys. Tong metal pala to, tong steering wheel niya. This is metal. Yan ganda ng texture, yan yung niya nung nitong ang tawag dito. Itong niya. Yan na yun. Ano ba yan? Okay, so yan ang details niya guys and functionality. Okay, so this is metal. I have here my trailer na John Deere. Nabanggit ko kanina, this is licensed by Claas, no guys. Yan Claas ang nag-license dito. But I have here my trailer na John Deere yung John Deere yung licensed by John Deere. This is a 990 harvester. Haystack wheat harvester. Yan. Okay, so dito na pupunta yung wheat niyan. Yung toy na to, merong kasama dapat to na haystack dito na plastic na nabilog. Yan, missing na to nung nabili ko kay Ma'am Celestine, but yung lahat ng parts nito all goods. Okay, so this is 1:32 scale din. So fit siya dito guys. So etong gumagalaw na to, para mai-hook mo siya dito, kailangan mo siyang ibaba. Okay, so attach natin. Yan. Tapos kailangan mo siya i-lock pataas. Yan, hindi na siya matatanggal. Yan. So ganyan ang itsura niya pagka nakakabit na yung trailer niya. Okay. Yan. So ito front loader niya. Yan ang position niya pagka nagta-travel siya. Nakataas dapat yan para hindi sumayad. So that's it guys. Rate nyo nga yung toy na to. What do you think guys? Medyo malaki talaga itong 1:32 scale. Ang ganda ng detalye nito. And nakuha natin siya kay Ma'am Kia Potts ng mint condition tong toy. Although yung box niya is bad box. Pero that's okay kasi nabili natin to as a pre-love item. No. Okay, so what do you think guys? If you like more of this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So follow nyo and share nyo na rin guys, and comment if you like thread. Okay, so I'll see you next video. Marami pa tayong siko na nakuha kay Ma'am Kia Potts. Just stay tuned guys, and I'll see you on the next video, and goodbye.